We've arrived to spot numero uno.
Did you hear that? Is that a howler monkey?
What? Where?
You didn't hear that?
A howler monkey?
Yeah.
Is that even a real species?
Did you say, is that even a real creature?
Yeah.
Yeah, you never heard one?
No. Alright. Time to get rigged. This is a sacred rig. Here, you want to get real technical? Braid to a snap swivel. Put the barrel sinker on the snap swivel, and then a little pre-made snell hook. Yeah, it's the Fossum special. Just really pack that hook full of the meat. Let's give a good rundown on what kind of bait we're using.
We're just using your standard night crawler. Juicy Lucy.
Alrighty.
Fish right at? Yeah, I think I got it. Yep, let's go.
Oh my gosh, I'm not even rigged yet.
Cat.
Really?
Would that take 3 minutes?
Not even?
The whole breath?
No.
Like these things, like come out of the starter.
Oh yeah.
Got him?
Yeah.
Oh, right.
Wow. There's a chunk.
Sweet. You puking up?
What is that? He was eating something. That's a chunk of cat.
Yeah, it is. That's a good start.
Yeah, it's a good start. What do you do when you get duped crappie fishing? Come out and chase some kitty cats.
Yeah. Nice one.
Oh yeah.
Throw him back.
Yeah. I don't either.
Drawn for sure.
Those big movements.
Hammer time? Is this a good one?
I think it's a little scrapper.
Try net it?
It's a little scrapper. These smaller ones are called stingers.
Good. I thought he would look heavy when he set the hook.
Yeah, these are the kind of cats I catch. Pretty much when it comes to any fish.
Oh yeah, right. Whoa!
What was that?
Is this a giant?
I don't know. Oh, it's a ding.
Is it?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
You see what happened when he set the hook?
Yeah. Ripped its face
Holy
off.
crap. I had a 15-pound channel cat on. Your rod didn't move much.
No, I know.
You got that right. I gotta try to pack a wolf.
Right. Perfect, they can jump.
They can't swim, right?
What's that?
They can't swim, right?
I'm sure they can.
Wolves can swim?
I'm sure.
Since when?
Well, they're dogs.